Hey, what's up, guys? All right, in this video, we're going to be talking about Carvana. First of all, this is not financial advice. If you invest in the stock or crypto markets, do so after doing your own research. Invest only what you can afford. All right, so it's in my opinion, just doing some very minimal research, that Carvana is primed to make another run. Okay, so I mentioned this in a previous video that Carvana is very volatile, and it's up and down, but it's had some major swings here lately. And if you don't know, Carvana is a car vendor. They're literally a car vendor. You can actually apply and purchase a vehicle online and go pick it up from an actual car vending machine that they have set up in various locations. They also will deliver a vehicle, so they're kind of trend setting, I guess, or I don't know if they created or invented that mode of business, but they're the biggest name in the auto industry with that type of sales or selling. Anyway, of course, we're in a recession right now, and there's a lot of, the price of just about everything is going up, and used vehicles is no exception. Used vehicles have gone up anywhere from 30 to 40%, which basically means if you go buy a used vehicle, you're going to pay pretty much what you would pay for a new vehicle, or very close to it. So if we look at the stock price of Carvana right now, it is $22.09. Today it dropped 11 or almost 12%. If we look back 1 week, now look how volatile, look at all these swings it had over the past week. Now it's up 4.79%, but if you look at the beginning of the week, it shot up 30%. Then it came down, it dropped 10%. And then it dropped another 2%, and then it went back up 12%. It did that in less than a day. Then there was a major decline. From 32% up, it went down. It dropped 28%, and then it continued. It went up and came back down, but it stayed around 4% up on the month, which was a 28% decline in 1 day. So this little period of time here is what I'm looking at. If you look at over the past week, now let's look at the past month. Now, as you can see again, hills and valleys. It goes up, down, way up, way down, up a little bit, down, way up, down a little bit, up. So there haven't been that many stocks here lately that I've seen with this much activity in 1 month, with this much, with swings this violent, which is, if you're trading, if you're a day or a swing trader, this is a good thing. Okay, so it is my opinion that right now would be a good time to swing trade Carvana. So that's what I will be doing tomorrow. Now, I'm not sure. I'm going to keep an eye on it in the morning, in the pre-market hours. And so I live in the central time zone. So at 7 or 6 a.m., the pre-market hour starts, and I'm going to see if there's any movement If not, then I will wait till when the stock market opens at 8:30 Central, and I will purchase some Carvana stock. And what I'm hoping is that it will jump or make an increase of at least 10% over the next couple of days. That's what, see, if you look at the level of support, like look, you see down here, you have $21 right here. And then again over here, when it went way up and came back down, the support level was around $23. And so it's come back down again to the $22 level. So it seems like the support level is slightly going uphill, but it's still hovering around that $22, $23, $21 area. But of course, it is still like every other stock. It's in a bear market. It's on a bear run over the long term. But I'm just looking at the past month and the past week, and that's what I'm basing my that's what I'm using for my analysis and my theory on why I think it will go back up. Definitely before the end of the week. That's my call. That's what I'm saying. And like I said, that's not any advice for you to do anything to buy it or sell it if you hold it already. So anyway, that's all I have for y'all today. What do y'all think about Carvana? Have you bought a car from Carvana? What do y'all think about swing trading stocks? Have you had any experience buying a stock and holding it for a few days or a week or so? Have you dollar cost averaged? What's your experience with that? Y'all have a good evening.